If you're seeing CapCut Error Code 0, that usually means your export is failing because of hardware or storage conflicts. The good news is that this is a common issue, and in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling the app or losing your project. In this video, I'll show you the safest and most effective steps to get your export working again. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tips. Let's start with the first fix, because this is often the main cause. Open CapCut, then go to the menu, then Settings, and find Performance. Inside Performance, look for the option called Speed Up Hardware Encoding. If that option is turned on, uncheck it. Hardware encoding can sometimes create conflicts with your graphics card, drivers, or system settings, which can trigger error code 0 during export. After turning it off, click Save, then restart CapCut completely. Don't just close the window. Make sure the app fully reloads so the new setting takes effect. Now that CapCut is back open, try exporting again if you want to test it. If the problem is still there, move on to the next step, which is clearing the cache. Cached files can build up over time and sometimes become corrupted, especially if you've been editing a lot of large projects. To clear them, go back to Menu, then Settings, and look for Project or Cache, depending on the version of CapCut you're using. Once you find it, click Delete next to the cache size. This clears temporary files that CapCut no longer needs and can help remove hidden export issues. After clearing the cache, give CapCut a moment to reset, then try your export again. If you still get error code 0, the next thing to check is your export settings. Click Export and take a close look at where your file is being saved. In many cases, export failures happen because the destination folder has permission restrictions. To avoid that, change the export destination to your desktop or another simple folder that you know CapCut can access easily. Try not to save directly into restricted locations like Windows system folders or program files, because those can block the export process. Also, if your video is set to export in 4K, drop the resolution down to 1080p. A lower resolution reduces the load on your system and can help CapCut finish the export successfully, especially if your computer is already under pressure. Next, let's check storage space, because this is another very common cause of export errors. CapCut needs enough free space on your hard drive to process the video, create temporary files, and complete the final render. Make sure you have at least 5 to 10 gigabytes of free space available. If your drive is nearly full, delete unnecessary files, empty your recycle bin, or move large videos and downloads to another drive. Even if everything else is set correctly, low disk space can still stop the export from finishing. At this point, after turning off hardware encoding, clearing cache, changing the export location, lowering resolution, and freeing up storage, most CapCut Error Code 0 problems should be resolved. If your export still won't work, double-check that your project isn't stored in a restricted folder and that your system has been restarted after changes. Sometimes, a quick reboot can help Windows release locked files and refresh permissions. So to recap, if CapCut Error Code 0 appears, first disable hardware encoding, then clear the cache, then change the export destination and resolution, and finally make sure you have enough free disk space. These simple steps fix the problem for a lot of users and can save you from wasting time on trial and error. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.